Begin by installing the brackets onto the posts. Use the included spacer for a 4-inch guide, and clamp the brackets in place using the square. Use at least 4 screws spread out across the bracket. Cut the rubber glass gaskets to fit in the brackets. Then insert them into the brackets. Now install the post where you've determined proper blocking. Drill pilot holes and fasten the post loosely. Use the level and the shimps to plumb the posts. To order your glass, send us the measurements between the posts or the brackets. Carefully insert one corner, then the other, slowly applying pressure and guiding it straight down. Be sure the glass is fully seated on the brackets. And finish by installing the base plate covers using the Phillips head screws.